Hello children, a very good afternoon to you all. Welcome back to the science class. So now we are discussing term 2 unit 1, that is food. So already we have discussed about different nutrients in food. What are the different nutrients in food? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, right? Did you remember everything? And we have seen a balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet contains all nutrients in the right amounts. So all the nutrients, it should be in a right amount so that we'll be strong. Right? Now in this class, we are going to discuss about meals in a day. Meals in a day. So how many times we take food every day? We eat food 3 times, right? We have 3 main meals every day. What are the 3 main meals? First one is breakfast, lunch, and third one is dinner. Morning we take breakfast, right? Morning before coming to school, we have our breakfast and we come to school, right? And afternoon in the school, what we'll take? We'll eat lunch. We'll have our lunch in our school. And after going home, in the night time, what we'll have? We'll have our dinner, right? So we have 3 main meals. What are the 3 main meals? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, children. So, in breakfast, what your mother usually prepare? She prepares idli, dosa, bread with egg, ragi kunj, idiyappam, puri, appam, and pongal. Right? These are the different types of breakfast items we eat regularly. And after coming to the school, we eat our lunch. What we eat? Mainly we eat lemon rice, fruit salad, greens, rice along with sambar, biryani, tomato rice, vegetable salad, curd rice, tamarind rice, and cereals. So these are the different types of lunch items we eat, right? And what about dinner? Dinner, at least we have to eat half an hour before going to bed. Okay? We should not eat and sleep immediately. We should eat half an hour before going to bed. And what we commonly have? Chapati, milk and fruits, and sometimes idli, dosa, or rice. Right? These are the 3 main meals: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast we have at morning 8 o'clock, and lunch at 12 o'clock, and then dinner at again at 7 or 8 o'clock. Right? Okay. Now the next thing is food habits in different places. So we are eating idli and all in Tamil Nadu, but in other places in the north side, they different type of food. Now we'll see what they will eat and what we are eating. Okay, so food habit of people at a place depends on climate, culture, and availability of food. So according to the climate, if it is very hot, they eat one type of food. Very cool, they eat another type of food. And the culture, they different culture take different types of food. and even availability of food. So particular food will not be available in some areas. So we are near to the coastal area, means beach area, so we get lot of fish. But some areas they will not get fish. So availability of food also depends. See, coastal area people eat lot of seafood. Okay. So now South Indians, that is we. South Indians are we. We depend on rice, dal, coconut, jaggery for food. So what we do, we prepare food like idli, sambar, payasam, etc. North Indians means the other people living in Delhi and all, they depend on wheat, onions, milk and curd. Wheat, onions, milk and curd. Hence they make foods like chapati, paratha and lassi. So different places will have different food habits. Next thing what we see is food habits in different age groups. Okay, so whatever food we are eating, will your parents or your grandparents eat? If you observe, whatever food we are eating, our grandparents they cannot eat. Okay, so see here, amount of food a person needs depend on his age. Okay, so the needs change with age groups and level of physical activity. If we play a lot, we feel hungry, very hungry, because we lost so much of energy. So the physical activity also important. Okay, the physical activity also change the food we eat, amount of food we eat. Okay, next, athletes may need more amount of energy during training. I said no, the same thing. So the people who have the physical activity need more amount of energy. So young children should eat a wide variety of food. See here, children, they have to drink milk, take honey, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, egg, sprouted seeds and fish. These are the main things children should eat. Okay, what about your parents? Your parents can eat all vegetables and fruits. And then seafood, greens, milk and milk products. But what about your grandparents? They cannot take the things which you are taking. They have to take fibrous food, low fat dairy products, food with less salt, ragi, teenay and kambu. These are the main things your grandparents will be taking. They cannot drink milk as you drink milk. They cannot eat egg as you eat. They cannot eat sprouted seeds as you eat. Okay, so the food habits changes according to the age groups also. So whatever children will eat, adults cannot eat, and old adult they cannot eat whatever children and young adults are eating. Okay children, so the food, young children, you have to take wide variety of food so that you will be healthy. Okay, next, traditional food. Traditional food means, see here, our ancestors means nothing but our forefathers, like your father's father, like that. The relations are called ancestors. Our ancestors ate food that were easily available from nature, which lead to healthy lives. Okay, few natural foods are ragi, teenay, samai. So these are the kambu, these all are the natural foods. So if you eat all these foods, what will happen? Varagu and all, you will be healthy. Okay, so see here different varieties of ragi food. Ragi balls are there, dosa, adai, vermicelli and biscuits. So this ragi is the best bodybuilder and disease fighter. So you have to eat these traditional foods once in a while to be healthy. Okay, the next thing what we see is home garden. Home garden means cultivation of crops in a small available place in households. That is called home garden. See here, we'll have pots and plants in the pots, and some have in the balcony, some have on the terrace. So cultivation of crops in small available place in households is called home garden. Like cultivation of crops is called home garden, or in kitchen garden or nutrition garden. See, vegetables like tomatoes, brinjal, snake guard, snap beans, lady's fingers, and fruits like banana, lemon, and also herbs. These are the examples. These all were can be grown in our house also. Okay, so we don't need any fields and all. So we can grow small plants in our house also like this. That is called home garden. So what are the advantages of home garden? It is easiest method, and wastewater we can reuse that, and it saves our money also. We can get tomatoes, brinjals, everything from our garden only, and we get vegetables which are fresh and high in nutritive value. Okay, so these are the advantages of home garden. Now let's see the assignment session. In the assignment, see here, some of the famous food items of Tamil Nadu are given below. Write the food items of the particular place. Okay, so here are the places. See, Manapparai is famous for dash. Nilgiris is famous for dash. Panruthi is famous for dash. Kollimalai is famous for dash. Tirunelveli is famous for dash. Kovilpatti is famous for dash. Salem is famous for dash. See, here are the options: halwa, muruku, jackfruit, spices, kadalai mittai, mango and tea. So you have to fill according to the selecting the options, you have to fill it correct options. Okay, so which place is famous for which food item, you have to fill it and send me in the WhatsApp. Okay children, with this we have finished the first lesson. I'll send you everything in the book exercise, everything in the next class. Okay, I hope you all understood. Thank you children.